Hi, I'm Russ Cook, VP of R&D for the Telit IoT Solutions. Now I'm here today at the CES trade show in Las Vegas, and we're demonstrating Telit technology today. What we're using is our CMB 100 dev kit with deviceWISE Edge AI to show a security application to verify entrance into a secure facility. And what we're doing is we're scanning an RFID badge, queuing up the message to the gateway to then scan my face and decide if I am who I say I am. So I'm going to do a quick demonstration today. So when it recognizes me, it's going to unlatch the door. Now I'm going to put on a disguise to see if the AI can recognize that it's me, Russ Cook, or if it has trouble. So as we can see through the demo, it does not recognize me. It does not hit the threshold for recognizing that it is Russ Cook. Now when I go back, it recognizes me.